Vibration monitoring can help your team save time and enhance reliability. The Fluke 3561FC vibration sensor can be installed in less than an hour and fits almost anywhere. Intuitive smartphone-based setup enables your team to start their predictive maintenance journey with no specialized training. The compact sensor has a 3-year battery life and a frequency range of 10 to 1000 Hz. The sensor measures triaxial acceleration and temperature for a wide variety of machines and computes overall vibration for asset condition screening. Use Fluke Connect software to obtain real-time data and historical trends on your equipment. Continuous screening can eliminate routes, and the data can be used for live trending, reports, record keeping, and audit trails. The Fluke Connect system generates and sends alarm notifications when abnormalities occur based on 37 machine categories. Make better maintenance decisions today with the Fluke 3561FC vibration sensor. Visit fluke.com/3561FC to learn more.